Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to play as Poppy on your League of Legends. So at first, just open your game through the right client. And as you open your game, you're in this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right tab for the option store right here and just click it to view the store page at first. And as you view the store page, again look at the left tab for the option champions and just select it. So as you select it, either you can just scroll down to look for the Poppy champion or go on the left and click on the search box and type Poppy. And as you type it, you can see a Poppy champion on your screen, and to play as her, you need to unlock her by buying it. So you need RP points or the blue essence to get this character to play as her. So guys, that's how you play as Poppy champion on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.